Meaning of Finnegans Wake.
Finnegans Wake.
Finnegans Wake.
Finnegans Wake.
Finnegans Wake. Finnegans Wake is a novel by James Joyce that was published in 1939 and is known for its complex and experimental writing style. The book follows the dreams and thoughts of various characters, including the main character, H.C. Humphrey Chimpton Earwicker. The narrative is highly fragmented and full of puns, allusions, and obscure references. The title Finnegans Wake refers to the idea of a circular, never-ending cycle of history and life, represented by the characters and their interconnected stories in the book.